All right, sit down, sit down. Reggie's got a story for you, and this one's gonna hurt a little bit before it feels good, so buckle in, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Two people, same job, same company. Both just got the same raise, $500 extra a month, hitting their account starting next Friday. Both of them think they just won. Only one of them actually did. Let's call them Tasha and Dion. Same age, same salary, same $500 raise showing up on the same day. Here's where it splits. Tasha sees that new number in her account and goes, okay, I got room now. New car payment, nicer apartment, DoorDash twice a week instead of once. She upgraded her whole life to match the raise. Dion? Dion doesn't change a single thing. Same apartment, same car, same grocery list. He takes that $500 and before it even has a chance to introduce itself to his checking account, it's already gone into an investment account he set up the same week. Now here's the part nobody tells you. On day one, Tasha looks like she's winning. She's got the nicer car. She's living better. Dion's just over here eating the same rice and beans he was eating before the raise, looking like he didn't get a raise at all. If you asked anybody watching from the outside who's winning, they'd point at Tasha every single time. But let's run the numbers, because the numbers don't care who's got the nicer car. Year one, Tasha's $500 a month went to lifestyle, car payment, eating out, a few I deserve this purchases. Total extra spent over the year, $6,000. Gone. Not invested, not saved, spent. She's got nice stuff to show for it, sure, but she's got $0 sitting anywhere earning anything. Dion's $500 a month went into a simple index fund. Same $6,000, except his $6,000 is now sitting in an account, growing. At a normal 10% return, by the end of year one, that's about $6,300. Not a huge gap yet. This is where it's easy to say, so what? It's $6,000. Who cares? Stick with me. Year three. Tasha got another raise in year two, and guess what she did? Same thing. Upgraded again. Now she's got 2 car payments worth of lifestyle stacked on top of each other. More subscriptions than she can even name. And her checking account still looks about the same as it always has, because whatever comes in goes right back out. She is, and I say this with love, running in place. Dion got that same raise in year two. Same move, straight into the investment account. By year three, Dion's total contributions are $18,000. And thanks to that money actually growing instead of sitting there, his account is worth roughly $21,000. Tasha, over the same 3 years, she spent $18,000 in extra lifestyle spending she wouldn't even be able to point to specific memories for half of. New car smell wore off in a month. The nicer apartment just became the apartment. The upgrades disappeared into daily life, and there is nothing, not $1 left to show for any of it. This is the part of the story where people usually go, well, Tasha's just having more fun though. Maybe, but hold that thought, because we ain't done. By year 5, Tasha's gotten 2 more raises. Same pattern both times. Lifestyle creep ate every single one of them. Her spending has just risen right along with her income, dollar for dollar, like her paycheck, and her bills are on a synchronized swim team. She makes noticeably more money than she did 5 years ago, and somehow feels exactly as broke as she did back then. That's not an accident. That's what happens when every raise gets absorbed before it has a chance to do anything. Dion, same 5 years, same discipline. He's kept banking every raise the same way, straight into the account. No negotiation with himself, no just this once. His total contributions, $30,000. His account value at 10% average returns, approximately $38,000. Let's sit the two of them down side by side at year 5. $30,000 spent on lifestyle upgrades that have already faded into background noise. Dion, $38,000 sitting in an account, quietly compounding, whether he thinks about it or not. Same raises, same starting point. One decision, repeated every single time a raise hit. That's the entire gap. Now here's where it gets wild, because we ain't even at the real punchline yet. by year 10, Dion hasn't just kept banking new raises. The old money has been compounding this whole time too. His total contributions by year 10, roughly $60,000. His account value, approximately $105,000. $45,000 of that is money he never even had to work for. It's just growth, sitting there because he left it alone. Tasha, 10 years in, has had conservatively 5 or 6 raises over that stretch, every single one absorbed into a higher standard of living. She's not in trouble. She's not broke. She's just exactly where she started financially, except now everything costs more to maintain. If her income dropped even a little, her whole lifestyle would crack because there's no cushion built anywhere. There's no $38,000, no $105,000. There's just bills that match whatever she happens to be making that year. And look, I gotta be fair here, because if I only told you Tasha's side, I'd be lying to you. Enjoying your raise is not a crime. Some of that lifestyle upgrade is genuinely worth it. Nobody's out here saying live like it's still your first entry-level job forever. The problem isn't that Tasha enjoyed her money. The problem is she enjoyed all of it, every single time, with nothing automated on the other side to catch even a piece of it first. That's the whole secret, and it's almost annoyingly simple. Dion didn't have some genius investment strategy. He didn't pick hot stocks. He just made one decision. The moment the raise hit, before he got used to spending it, a chunk of it left his checking account and went somewhere he couldn't touch it without thinking twice. That's it. That's the entire 20-year head start. Here's the part that should mess with you a little bit. The best time to start banking part of a raise is the very first day it shows up, before your spending habits adjust to expect it. Because the truth is, you never miss money you never got used to having in the first place. Give yourself even 30 days living on the new number, and suddenly it doesn't feel like a raise anymore. It just feels like your normal paycheck, and there's nothing left to bank. So here's Uncle Reggie's rule, and I want you to actually use this one. Next time you get a raise, even a small one, before you do anything else, before you upgrade a single thing, move half of it somewhere you can't casually spend it. Not all of it. You're allowed to enjoy your life, cousin. I'm not trying to have you eating rice and beans forever like Dion over here. But half, automatically, on day one. Let the other half go live your life a little better. Because 10 years from now, the question isn't going to be who had the better apartment in year 2. It's going to be who's got options and who's still one bad month away from trouble. And that answer gets decided the very first time your paycheck goes up, not 10 years later when you finally decide to get serious about it. So real quick, next time that raise hits your account, ask yourself one thing before you spend a dime of it. Am I about to upgrade my life, or am I about to buy myself options? Because that answer is the only one that actually matters.